Are you ready for a ride that will push your limits? This is Snowstormers at Blizzard Beach, and it's not your average water slide. How fast can you go? Can you handle the speed? Think you've experienced the fastest slide out there? Think again. This slide's twists and turns will challenge even the most daring of thrill seekers. But there's a secret. What makes Snowstormers truly epic isn't just its speed. From its wild turns to that final plunge, there's more to Snowstormers than meets the eye. Stick around, and we'll reveal what makes this ride stand out from all the rest at Blizzard Beach. Take this snowy mountain by storm as you slalom down one of 3 winding water slides. Lay on a toboggan-style mat on your belly and careen down a zigzag course headfirst to the bottom of Mount Gushmore. Bank through twists and turns as you fly past the flag markers of the slalom gates, like in a real downhill ski race. Get ready to race down the slopes on these thrilling toboggan slides, twisting and turning through the slalom gates as you descend. Feel the rush of the icy wind against your face as you carve your way down the mountain, surrounded by the whimsical theming of Blizzard Beach. And after your exhilarating ride on Snowstormers, why not extend the fun by staying in one of our luxurious Sebastian vacation pool home? Located just minutes away from Snowstormers at Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park, our vacation home offers the perfect retreat for families and friends looking to relax and unwind after a day of water park fun. So, if you're planning a visit to Snowstormers at Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park in Orlando, make it a truly unforgettable experience by booking one of our vacation pool villas nearby. Your perfect vacation awaits.